Right, okay, good afternoon, folks. We are down in Worcester. Dance and Smile, Pleasureland Theme Park Experience. Hey, we got away from the channel. Pleasureland Theme Park Experience. Wilson's Amusements. This one was manufactured by the Spanish company Safco in 2005. Spanish company. I say yeah. I say yeah. Right, I think we're somewhere around the 9th of August today. This one's on for the rest of the week and the weekend. It's another hot fair down here. Now let's get the onions out the way first. Now I did say this is a bit unusual. Eggs. Now look at this, folks. Now how posh is this? We've even got an LED paper menu. Menu. Yeah, that's posh, isn't it, folks? I've already had me slush. Crikey, it's hot down here today, folks. Yeah, Funfair Audits approves of those burgers. Yeah, look at that. I mean, all changes. Your lad did this, didn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, fair play to him. He's done a good job there, hasn't he? Yeah, very smart. Right, okay. Oh. Right, let's go and show you around this fair then. Freshly made donuts. Oh yeah, I could do with some of that. Sit back in the car. I remember that. Nice little sweet store down here for you, folks. Right, darling. There you got some nice ones on here. A bit like your old traditional pick and mix stuff. Peanut brittle for our mum's teeth. But you got no brandy snaps, have you? Nah. Little juvie rides. There's a few juvies down here. The sun's going to be a devil for this vlog. Got your bungees. Wow, is this hot weather ever going to come to an end? Looking at the forecast, no. I'll just wait for these folks to get out of the way. Look at that baby fast asleep on there. Now, as you see, folks, this ground's a bit rough. So, make sure you got some sensible footwear, no high heels on here. There you go, folks. I told you it was hot. She's even got the towels out to stop it melting. It's crazy hot. Candy floss? She ain't got the candy floss on. What's the matter with you? Oh well, that's somebody who's not going to plaster me in candy floss today. I don't want pink streaks in my hair today. It's going to get a bit sticky. I'm not too sure about that lucky dip. Shooting saloon. There you go, this one's for all the blokes who've been daft enough to get married. Hook a bag. Alright, Chief, alright. Knock the cans down. One stack of cans off the shelf to win any prize. You should have been saying that, not me. Another juvenile. This one's owned by Jonathan Dancer. We've got Vicky down here as well. It's funny, I haven't seen Vicky since 1983, and now I've seen her twice in 3 days. It's funny how it goes, isn't it, folks? I'm just taking you around the outskirts first, and then we'll go and have a look at the main rides in a moment. Good size those sausages. Fair play. Gotta stand back, I'm getting fat all over me camera. Funhouse. I still haven't done one for the vlog. Arr, Jim lad. I'll stick to me cider. Oh, shout out to Taff if you want it. Taff down in the West Country. Oh, bloody sunshine. Right, this is a right, this is a good ride, folks. Meteorite, David Rogers and Sons. We got the sun in totally the wrong place. Yeah, David Rogers, this is built by Sam Ward in 1980. Oh, bloody sunshine. Right, Joseph Danter's Twister. Sonic Ace. 2005. Do you know what? This is the second song I've heard today where they're singing about rain. It ain't rain for bloody 2 months. It's raining funfair audits. Next up, we've got the Worcester. That's owned by William Porter. Porter's actually owned the company Fairtrade, built down in Bristol. Oh, a bit noisy. Right, they're just coming off that one. Right, Scream Machine Worcester. Just take you up the stairs, give it a quick shot of it. Right, there you go. Scream Machine. Manufactured in 2019. Nice cars on these. All the cars have got individual motors on them, so you don't need a spinner on it, it spins brilliantly. If I had to make a criticism, the ride cycle's too short. But yeah, it's a brilliant Worcester. Easily the best fair trade Worcester in the UK. Quite a few folks down here. God, this ground's so rough. I'm so sorry if I'm shaking this camera around, folks, but it really is rough ground here. Mind you, last time I came to this fair, it was quite muddy. That was horrible. This fair was supposed to have taken place down on Pitchcroft earlier in the year, and it was underwater, so it never happened. So these Worcesters, these dodgems, again, are owned by William Porter, built by CBK Technic Group in Poland, 2021. They look quite quick as well. I am tempted to do an on-ride of this in a bit, so we'll see what happens. It's certainly getting a lot of use. Hooky ducks. Oh, we've got a hot air balloon just taking off from the race course as well. It says red, so I've got a thing about red, I reckon, because last time I saw something in the air on a vlog, it was a red kite. Well, okay, that's different. So yeah, like I say, dodgems, William Porter. And finally, you know what's coming, folks. You know what's coming. No words are needed. Evolution. Tom Wilson. Thumbs up for the channel. He's a good lad. Evolution, manufactured by the UK company Tivoli in 2006. Four-arm Tivoli. And I've timed this completely wrong, haven't I, folks? So, just a short walk through then. I'll say this one's on for the week. It's Tuesday today. The video will be uploaded on the Wednesday. The fair's going to be on until, I think it's Sunday. But if you look online, Wilson's Amusements, all your information is going to be on there. So, from Pitchcroft in Worcester, the balloon's certainly got nice and high now. So we will see you down next week at Anderton and Rowland's Fun Fair. And that will be down in Torquay. And I'll also be doing another Rowland's Fun Fair in Exeter. So, until next week, folks, we'll catch you up, and thanks for watching.